In this video, we will learn daily conversation. Hey, how are you? I'm good. Thank you. How about you? I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. What's your name? My name is Ash. What do you do? I'm an English teacher. Where do you study? I study at ABC University. What are your hobbies? I like reading and swimming. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. How's the weather today? It's sunny and warm. What are you doing this weekend? I'm going hiking with friends. Do you play any sports? Yes, I play football. Have you traveled anywhere recently? Yes, I went to Paris last month. What's your favorite book? I love Holy Quran. I like your bag. Where did you get it? Thank you. I bought it online. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one brother and one sister. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat. What's your favorite place to visit? I love going to the beach. Can you cook? Yes, I love cooking. It was nice talking to you. Same here. See you later. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching this video from Ash English Lab.